Hello, I am finally back. My summer break from YouTube and cardboard robots was planned, but I did not plan that it will take so long as the school year started a month and a half ago. So here is a quick update why I was away and what I am preparing for you, and hopefully will be able to publish soon. I had super busy summer because I was involved into development and production of a stationary educational center in Łódź, Poland. The place is called PUNKT ZWROTNY, which might be translated as pivoting point, and it is dedicated to ecological and sustainable growth education for kids and youth. There is an interactive exhibition for small kids, but the part I think is the most interesting is a workshop for teenagers packed into a form of an escape room, where participants have to solve interactive electronic riddles about how to fix energy, water supply, and waste management problems in the city. My job in this project was to design and produce electronics and multimedia apps that run on the exhibition and escape rooms. So, plenty of RFID sensors, switches, knobs, LEDs, Android applications, and over 4 months of development and 2 weeks of production on site. These kind of projects become increasingly difficult when you take into account that the installations have to work permanently under constant usage of young kids. So it is a totally different task than producing an installation for a one-time event or a temporary exhibition. In the end, PUNKT ZWROTNY is a place with a wonderful idea, beautifully designed and led by fantastic people. So I am very happy to take part in this project. But now, since I am back here, what is new for cardboard robots? I have 3 new apps in development, and I am pretty sure you will like and use all of them. The first one is Talking Robots app. I was already showcasing part of it in Talking Robots video.
Hello, humans.
But the new version will be supercharged with language model intelligence. So you will be able to talk to your robot with speech recognition, and his brain will be powered by ChatGPT-like intelligence. And I hope the cost of tokens for this won't sink me down. The next app will be Telepresence App. Telepresence is a concept in robotics when the robot allows you to have real-time video and audio connection when operated remotely. So it can be something like an avatar for you, allowing you to see video transmission from a remote camera, but you can also move the camera controlling the robot. As always, the easiest way to add such capabilities to your DIY robot is to use a smartphone. You mount it on the top of your robotic car, open the app, connect, and that is all. You can have someone from the other side of the world connect to your robot, control it, and see through its camera. Or maybe you can lock the robot in a separate room and work with it like a Mars rover with very limited view and high stake of making mistakes. I think this concept will be super fun to play with. And the last app is a new version of Teachable Machine App. Teachable Machine itself is a fantastic way to show basic concepts of machine learning and image classification to your students, but it has 2 major problems for me. First is that it works only on desktop computers, and when building a robot, it is always best to run it on train on a mobile device. Second problem is with exporting the model to the cloud. For unknown reasons by me, once the model is exported, it is almost impossible to quickly update it. There is an update option, but it does not work. And the whole process of machine learning relies on constant trial and error and multiple retries. So it is crucial to be able to update the model quickly with new data. I am working on a new app that will have machine learning like in Teachable Machine built into it, and you will be able to train the model quickly and easily on your smartphone. I think that it will make the process much smoother in the classroom. So, this is what I have planned for upcoming weeks, and see you soon.